for a job? Or do you want to switch jobs? You have many skills. You have listed them all in your resume. You are applying for jobs but not getting any interview call. Why is this happening? Is it bad luck? Might not be. The problem might be in your resume. Welcome to the official channel of Career Plan, your free personalized career planning tool. In today's video, we are talking about why your resume gets rejected due to too many skills. As a recruiter, we go through thousands of resumes. We have seen a common mistake that candidates make. That is listing all their skills. They think listing all their skills will make them look better. But that is not the case. Let us see why. When we are hiring, our primary focus is on finding a candidate who fits the role. Seeing a long list of skills that do not match the job description can raise a red flag. It is essential to remember that no one can be an expert in every area. Listing too many unrelated skills only weakens your core strengths. For example, we recently got a resume where the applicant listed a wide range of skills. This included Python, C++, C, and Java, and he had mentioned marketing and event management. While it might seem impressive at first, it felt too broad and lacked focus, so we had to reject the resume. We have thousands of resumes to go through, so we won't go through everything on your resume. You need to create a resume that grabs our attention. Your resume should show a career direction or career path, or else it will look like you are simply listing all possible keywords. Also, too many skills make it difficult for recruiters to understand your motivation. Are you a person who gets into everything? Trying to be a jack of all trades but not able to master anything? Or are you a person who gets bored easily and gets distracted? This can be a major red flag for leadership roles. More experience you have, the more attention you have to pay to how to list your skills. Remember these three things while creating your resume. First, tailor your skills to the job description. When you include irrelevant skills, it suggests that you did not tailor your resume according to the job description. This signals a lack of attention to detail. Also makes it challenging for us to assess how well you align with the job role. Instead, look at the JD and narrow down skills that are relevant to your job. Focus on your strengths that match the job requirements. This also highlights your qualifications and demonstrates your genuine interest in the position. We prefer that you excel in one area over having limited knowledge in many. We once reviewed a resume from a candidate applying for a data analyst position. He listed different sets of skills. It looked impressive at first, but we could not see the depth in the core skills that the job required. As we went through the resume, it made us think twice about the candidate's expertise. So it is better to tailor your resume according to the JD. Second, focus on your major skills. A focused skill set builds a strong personal brand and attracts employers. List 5 to 10 major skills in which you have a lot of experience. In today's job market, clarity and specialization can be your strongest allies. Concentrate on highlighting the skills that matter. Provide clear examples of how you have applied these skills in your previous roles or projects. Third, back it up with achievements. It is not enough to simply include a skill. To validate your skills to the hiring managers, you need to show how you have applied these skills. This approach validates your expertise. It also gives us a clear picture of what you bring to the table. This helps you to establish credibility, making you a strong candidate. In conclusion, by listing a few highly relevant skills, you will demonstrate confidence and expertise. As a hiring manager, we look for the best candidate. Remember, a tailor-made resume as per JD stands out. Focus on quality and relevance to create a strong resume. It will also grab the attention of recruiters. That's it for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.